Hello, my dear students. Welcome to our English virtual class. This video is a continuation of the lesson, A Special Request from Unit 3. In the previous video, we have learned how the twins, Sally and Srini, they were taking advantage of their exclusiveness, okay, right? And how they went and comfortably they started talking with Mr. Ashok Bhatt, who was the singer. Now even Ashok Bhatt, he was attracted by the twins' innocence. They were very innocent, so even Mr. Bhatt, he was attracted, okay? And that time Srini the boy, he said that he was 12 years and Sally the girl, she was 13. Now students, we know that twins cannot be of different age, right? So let's begin the rest of the story from here. How is that possible? You are twins, Ashok asked with an incredulous smile. You see, Sally is 12 minutes older than me, Srini said seriously. Ashok laughed at the kid's wit. Would he grant him a special request? Of course he would. It was a touching request. Please, Mr. Bhatt, we'd love to see great-grandfather laugh. You are a comedian as well, aren't you? Sally said in all earnestness. Srini added persuasion with appeal written large in his white eyes. So let us look at the word meaning first. Here, incredulous means feeling or showing disbelief. Earnestness means honesty. And appeal means an earnest request. Okay. So here, when Srini said that he was 12 and Sally was 13, Mr. Bhatt was surprised. Okay. So even he was so surprised to hear that. So he asked, how is that possible? Okay, you two are twins. How is it possible that you are 12 years and she is 13 years? So that time, Srini, very seriously, with a very serious look on his face, he said, you see, I am 12 minutes, my sister Sally is 12 minutes older than me. So which makes her 1 year older. See, these the twins, they are 12 years. Yes or no? So, according to Sally, according to Srini, the boy, since her sister was 12 minutes older than him, and now that he is 12 years, so which makes her sister 13 years. So, when he said that, Ashok Bhatt, that singer, he laughed, okay? He laughed at the kids' wit. He laughed at the way the kids was answering so cleverly. Would he grant him a special request? Of course he would. It was a touching request. Now here, now the name of the lesson is a special request, right? So here, we would come to know what is the request that was made by the two kids. So here, that time when the kids, they came with their request, that time Mr. Bhatt, he also, since the kids were making a request so earnestly, okay, an earnest request, they were requesting him, so Mr. Bhatt couldn't say no. Please, Mr. Bhatt, we'd love to see great-grandfather love. You're a comedian. Now here, the kids, they are trying to persuade Mr. Bhatt. They are trying to convince Mr. Bhatt by saying that, please, Mr. Bhatt, we would love to see our great-grandfather laugh. And you are a comedian. You make people laugh, right? So we want you to make our grandfather laugh. And Sally said this in all earnestness, with honesty. Okay, Sally said this. So when Sally was trying to convince Mr. Bhatt, even Srini, though he did not say anything, but everything could be seen in his eyes. Okay, even he was trying to show through his eyes and requesting Mr. Bhatt to grant them their request, which was to make the grandfather laugh.